HVLP paint sprayers are a popular choice for both professional painters and DIY enthusiasts. There are many products available to choose HVLP paint sprayers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best HVLP paint sprayers from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cordless Paint Sprayer. The Mitol Sprayer is a cordless paint sprayer that comes with 2 powerful lithium-ion batteries, providing you with the flexibility to work without being tethered to a power source. It includes 3 copper nozzles to prevent paint leakage and clogging, allowing you to easily switch between vertical, horizontal, and circular spraying patterns. The included viscosity cup helps you determine the paint's thickness for optimal spraying. With its lightweight and easy-to-clean design, this sprayer is user-friendly and suitable for a variety of indoor and outdoor projects. Number 2. Fuji Spray 2202 Semi-Pro 2 HVLP Spray System. The Fuji Spray 2202 Semi-Pro 2 HVLP spray system is a professional-grade paint sprayer that features an adjustable pattern fan control, a 1.3 mm air cap set, a 1 QT bottom feed cup, and a metal turbine case with a handy gun holder. The 25-foot hose includes an air control valve to reduce overspray and bounce back, making it easy to use and control. This HVLP paint sprayer is ideal for both professional and DIY use. Number 3. Wagner SprayDeck 242 2951 Control Pro 130 Paint Sprayer Kit. The Wagner Pro 130 sprayer is a high-efficiency airless paint sprayer perfect for various projects. It applies coatings quickly with low overspray, making it ideal for home exteriors and large decks. The HEA technology reduces overspray by up to 55%, providing a softer spray for better control and consistent finishes. You can use a wide range of paints and stains without thinning, thanks to its gravity-fed design. With extra accessories like a 12-inch extension wand and 2 spray tips, you can easily reach tall walls, ceilings, and more. Number 4. Paint Sprayer 700W HVLP Spray Gun. The Von Forn Paint Sprayer is a 700W HVLP spray gun with 4 different size nozzles and 3 spray patterns that can be adjusted to suit your needs. It also features unique blowing and cleaning functions, making it easy to use and clean. The adjustable flow control allows you to control the amount of paint output, which can save you money in paint costs. The package includes a range of accessories such as a cleaning brush and nozzle cleaning needle, and the technical team and after-sales team are always available to help you with any questions. Number 5. Wagner SprayDeck 244 3205 Erlex 5700 Stationary HVLP Paint Sprayer. The Wagner HVLP Sprayer 5700 is perfect for woodworking enthusiasts. Its professional metal spray gun delivers a smooth finish, while the adjustable settings allow you to fine-tune material output. The powerful motor enables you to spray a variety of materials, from varnishes to enamels. Additionally, the quick color changes and cleanup feature with the PTFE-coated paint container make your painting tasks hassle-free.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.